The number of ticks found in Connecticut is growing, and so is the concern for the diseases that they carry.
And a renewed health alert tonight. We now know a Connecticut man has died after contracting a tick-borne disease. Fox 61's Jenna DeAngela spoke to an expert about what you need to know.
Brent and Jen, that 55-year-old New Milford man died from liver and kidney failure. The state medical examiner's office tells us this comes after a tick bite. You know, we often hear of ticks causing Lyme, but this man contracted a disease called Babesiosis. It's the summer and the sun is out, so it's likely you are too. But joining you while you're walking your dog or hiking, unfortunately, ticks. And all it takes is one bite to contract a potentially deadly disease.
I think every hospital in Connecticut sees a reasonable number of patients with tick-borne illnesses.
Hospital of Central Connecticut Chief of Medicine Dr. Joseph Garner says the most common in Connecticut is Lyme, but ticks carry other diseases like babesiosis.
And most cases are without symptoms, and patients clear the infection on their own, having never seen a physician. But in certain circumstances, patients can become quite ill, and it can occasionally be fatal.
A fatal case earlier this month in New Milford. 55-year-old Michael Yoder died of liver and kidney failure, according to the state medical examiner's office, who says he contracted babesiosis from a tick bite.
The organism itself enters red cells and actually infects red blood cells, which is what carry hemoglobin and oxygen throughout the body. And so they can cause red cells to start to break down. And the breakdown of the red cells can be harmful to a variety of parts of the body, including kidneys.
Last year, the Connecticut Department of Public Health reported more than 300 cases. In 2015, there were 286, a jump from 173 in 2014. The annual number of cases increased since 2011, when only 52 were reported. But Dr. Garner says tick-borne diseases can be preventable with simple steps.
Wear long sleeves, long pants, light-colored clothing so you can easily see ticks on the outside. Have a family member or friend check you after you've been out in the woods to try to avoid any ticks becoming attached.
And for those of you who are dreading the winter, the good news is that's when the tick population goes down. And Dr. Garner says, in turn, the number of reported cases of tick-borne diseases drastically decreases too. Jenna DeAngelis, Fox 61 News.